Hello everyone. Thank you very much for watching the Logic's Lord channel. I am Nasir Khan and today I'm going to give you my reaction to the most awaited Pakistani film of 2017, Punjab Nahi Jaungi. A couple of years ago, Humayun Saeed as a producer joined forces with Nadeem Beg as the director, and together they created the highest grossing Pakistani film of all time, which was Jawani Phir Nahi Aani. So obviously in 2017, when they all got together again and they were trying to make their next film, there was a lot of excitement, there is a lot of excitement, and what I have to say is that the trailer does not disappoint. The premise of the film was actually quite obvious from the title by itself. It's a rural Punjab boy meeting a urban Karachi girl, and the cultural clash between them is the premise of the story. Very similar to Annie Ki Aayegi Baraat, which was a couple of years ago a very popular TV drama in Pakistan. However, I have to say that I was quite surprised at watching the trailer because I thought this film was going to be a light-hearted comedy. When I watched the trailer, maybe the first minute was a little bit comical, but after that things started getting a little bit serious, and by the time the trailer ended, it was on an extremely serious note. The thing that surprised me the most in this trailer was actually the fact that I never associated Mehwish Hayat as being an intense actress, right? So I haven't seen her dramas, but I have seen her films, and it's always the fun and frolic. She's always playing in light-hearted comedies. I did not anticipate the couple of scenes that they actually showed in the trailer where she has delivered some very, very intense scenes. The film stars Humayun Saeed, who is playing the Punjabi rural boy from Faisalabad, who is apparently a late bloomer. It stars Mehwish Hayat, who is playing the Karachi urban girl. It stars Urwa Hussain, who is playing a Punjabi rural girl. And it also stars Asfar Rahman, who is playing Mehwish Hayat's love interest. He is also he's an urban boy. Nadeem Beg is a great director, and in this film you can see that the film looks big. It looks very colorful. It looks very epic. There's one scene right at the end with Humayun Saeed where he's walking towards the camera. That just is a great shot. It looks big even if you're watching on your iPhone. The story seems to be that Urwa Hussain is in love with Humayun Saeed, who is in love with Mehwish Hayat, who is in love with Asfar Rahman. And it would have been interesting if Asfar Rahman was in love with Urwa Hussain. It would have completed the love square, but looks like he just loves Mehwish Hayat back. It's a little difficult to pick out what happens next because it looks like somehow Mehwish Hayat ends up coming to Punjab, to stay with Humayun's family. And then something happens, and then she goes back, and then he goes back to get her, and that's when she doesn't want to go back to Punjab. That's what my thinking is from the trailer, that's what the plot of the film is. There is a wedding dance song that they had in the trailer which looks like a downtrodden version of Fair and Lovely Ka Jalwa from a couple of years ago. Maybe they could have done without it, or maybe they could have done that a little bit better. The film is written by Khalilur Rahman Qamar. I don't watch Pakistani drama, so I haven't seen any of his work, but I have seen his interviews, and he looks like someone that you should listen to. So I'm really looking forward to both the dialogue and the story that he has written. The film also has a great supporting cast. I saw Ahmed Ali Butt in the trailer. I saw Suhail Ahmed. I saw Naveed Shehzad. I also saw Sabah Hamid. So it looks like the supporting cast is all well covered as well. So the verdict on the trailer is 2 thumbs up. I'm definitely going to go and watch this film. I was going to go for the production, for the director, for the cast, but now I'm really intrigued by the story as well. So I have to go and find out, what exactly is happening and how it's all going to turn out. So that was my reaction to the trailer of the Pakistani movie Punjab Nahi Jaungi. As I said in the beginning, the production team did not leave much for commentary on this. It just looks great. It excites everyone. Everyone's looking forward to when it's coming out so that they can go and watch it. Hopefully they're releasing it in the US as well. They came up with a great title. They made a great poster. They made a great teaser. They've made a great trailer. and I'm sure they've made a great film as well. So, best of luck to them. For more videos like this, for more trailer reactions, for more movie reviews, check out my channel, hit the subscribe button, or follow me at LogixLord on Twitter. And until next time, thank you very much, and have a great day.